And what that means is you can fill your own tanks, okay? This is a 6 size tank, and it'll probably last 2 hours. But the biggest thing you have to remember on the regulator, be sure to turn it to off while it's filling, okay? Now once you get it filled, you can set it on 2 or whatever setting she gets.
Said her new number's 4.
4, so you would set it there. Okay. So to fill the tank, all you do is set it up in the cradle here. It's got a quick connect plug. You just plug it in like that, and it'll plug right up. Okay. Make sure I have it straight here. Okay. Okay.
That thing kind of pulls up right here.
Yeah, make sure I got this back on off. So that's got a release right there. Okay. So you just whip it in just like that. Okay. See how I did that? That's the collar. If you want to take it out, you just push that down, pull it up, clip it in. You can just push it and it'll clip in. Okay. Okay. Be sure it's on off. The concentrator's going to be on all the time anyway, because she stays on it. So if you can fill and use the concentrator at the same time. Turn this on here. Okay.
How long does this little tank? That's the portable. How long can she take?
About 2 hours. We're going to give her 2 of them.
That's awesome.
So now, see right now, it's saying below normal. That's because it's checking the tank and it sees it's below normal. And in a minute, it will start filling. Okay, she's on 2 liters.
They said at the hospital, her new number's 4.
Yeah.
If she gets up and moving around, he said to take it up to 6.
Okay.
That's what the Holtzclaw guy said over there. So, but regular's on 4. Okay. She's used to 2, but so it might give her a headache.
Okay.
4 is it. Does this thing cut off automatically?
Well, I'm waiting for it. Once it analyzes this tank, that's what it's doing now. It's analyzing this tank. It'll go, and once it gets full, this light should jump over here to filling in a minute. Okay. And then once it gets full, it'll say full, and the light will come here. But let's make sure it's going to jump over here to filling. And once it jumps over to filling, it's going to take it a little bit. Let me see how empty this tank is. And that tank, it might not be empty enough for it to. It's got to drop down. The tank has to drop down below 1200 psi before it will start filling. So you can't really like top a tank off. Okay. It has to drop down below a certain level before it's going to start filling.
And this is all through Parish?
It is. One other thing, I meant to tell you this: while it's filling, you can't have it on any higher than. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, actually, I'm setting up a home fill. Okay. Okay, I should be back there in probably 20 minutes, but if not, I'm trying to think of the one that's most technical, probably Tandy. But anyway, if I'll be back in 20 minutes if you want me to give him a call in.